Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are all fine. And today I will discuss what products are made from bamboo. Bamboo has been used for thousands of years by many cultures around the world. Today we see a bamboo of innovative bamboo products and applications as a sustainable alternative for wood. So, my dear friends, watch this video till end and discover some of the coolest and beautiful, amazing bamboo products you probably didn't even know they existed. There are currently thousands of commercial bamboo products on the market, and new innovative uses and applications are added every day. This goes from constructions material to food, medicine, musical instruments, fabric, paper, pulp, and baskets, utensils, and so on. Bamboo is used to make musical instruments for thousands of years, and a popular saying is that every bamboo forest hides the instrument for a whole orchestra. In recent years, different technologies have been developed that allow bamboo fiber to be used for a wide range of textile, yarn, clothes, clothing, and fashion applications, such as t-shirts, pants, socks, towel, bed sheets, pillow cover, blankets, mattresses, and even bulletproof vest. In China, bamboo fiber has been used to make papers since early times, but in recent years, bamboo has emerged as an important raw material for the pulp and paper industry due to the shortage of wood resources. Every part of bamboo has different health benefits. In India, several tribes are utilize bamboo as their traditional food, either in fresh or processed form. Bamboo has been used for its medical properties for centuries, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine. It is believed to have a wide range of including anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and anti-cancer antioxidant effects. Bamboo has served as alternate source of food and energy along with providing shelter to millions of people. Bamboo naturally contains many amino acid, minerals, vitamins and fibers. Every part of bamboo has useful which are beneficial for human health, and moreover it plays an important role in maintaining the environmental conditions. Bamboos are used for the wide range of product imaginable as bamboo tubes. They are used as structural members for housing for water pipe and for musical instruments, for making baskets, household containers. Bamboo products are eco-friendly, sustainable and durable. They grow quickly and require less water and energy. Bamboo is naturally and long-lasting, making it a safe and cost-effective choice. What can I make with bamboo? Room divider. The first of our bamboo projects is a room divider. Wall decor. Everyone want wall decor for their room and home that is unique and inspire good thoughts and feelings. Headboard, coat rack, coffee table, garden edgings, planters and plant stands. Among some of artifacts in daily use that are crafted from this material are wind chimes, arrows, bamboo rice steamers, chairs, stools, fountains, hat, baskets, mats, rug, bed, cup, bowls, pot, eating utensils, chopsticks, fishing traps, rod, boats, and carts, and musical instruments and toys. Because of its combined strength and lightweight, bamboo is one of the most used building materials, particularly in area of the world where it is found in abundance. Historically and today is an important resource to build bridge, houses, and roofs and other structures. Bamboo's ability to resist moisture makes it an excellent choice for bathroom accessories, such as shower mats and bringing a touch of nature to your daily routine. In the kitchen, the material can become cutting board, utensils, hold, and even a strong surface for your countertop. I hope you liked this video and please share this video with your friends and be happy. Take care.